Have you ever wondered how AI is revolutionizing YouTube content creation and marketing? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a thing of science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming the world as we know it, including the realm of YouTube content creation and marketing. AI is rapidly reshaping the way content is created, tailored, and marketed on this platform, bringing in new avenues for creators and marketers alike. In the not-so-distant past, creating engaging content and marketing it effectively was a manual, time-consuming process. Creators had to rely on their intuition and the feedback of their audience to understand what worked and what didn't. But today, thanks to AI, the process has become smarter, faster, and more effective. AI helps creators generate content that is not only engaging, but also customized to the preferences of their audience. From suggesting the best time to post for maximum engagement to recommending topics that are trending, AI tools are making it easier for creators to connect with their audience. But the role of AI doesn't stop at content creation, it also plays an essential role in marketing. AI-powered tools analyze billions of data points to help marketers understand their audience better, optimize their content, and make data-driven decisions. They can predict viewer behavior, recommend the best marketing strategies, and even automate ad placements, saving marketers time and increasing their ROI. Moreover, AI is the driving force behind the YouTube algorithm, the mysterious entity that decides which videos get recommended to viewers. By analyzing viewer behavior, AI determines what content should be promoted, helping creators and marketers reach a wider audience. In essence, AI is not just a tool, but a game changer in the world of YouTube content creation and marketing. It's like having a personal assistant that knows your audience better than you do, and is always ready to help you make the right decisions. But the question remains, what are these AI tools that are making such a significant impact? Well, you're in for a treat, as we're about to delve into the top 5 AI tools that are making waves in the YouTube community. Now let's delve into the top 5 AI tools that are making waves in the YouTube community. First on our list is TubeBuddy, a powerhouse of a tool for content creators. This nifty tool is an all-in-one solution for those who want to take their YouTube game to the next level. So, how does TubeBuddy work its magic? Well, it's all about optimization. TubeBuddy is equipped with a suite of features that streamline the content creation process, ensuring your videos are primed for success from the get-go. One of the key features of TubeBuddy is its keyword research tool. This feature allows you to dig deep into what your target audience is searching for, so you can tailor your content to meet their needs. By understanding the most popular keywords in your niche, you can craft video titles, descriptions, and tags that align with what viewers are looking for. TubeBuddy also excels in the realm of video SEO. It's no secret that search engine optimization plays a crucial role in determining a video's visibility and reach. With TubeBuddy, you can optimize your videos to appear in search results, making it easier for potential viewers to discover your content. But that's not all. TubeBuddy also offers competition analysis, providing insights into what other creators in your niche are doing. This allows you to understand what works and what doesn't, helping you to refine your strategy and outshine the competition. With TubeBuddy, optimizing your YouTube videos for SEO becomes a breeze. Next up is VidIQ, a tool that provides valuable insights into your YouTube channel. This sophisticated AI-powered tool is like having your very own YouTube consultant, guiding you through the labyrinth of content creation and channel growth. Let's dive into the specifics. One key feature of VidIQ is its ability to help you understand your audience demographics. It's like having a magnifying glass that reveals the intricate details of who your viewers are, where they're from, and what they're interested in. This invaluable information allows you to tailor your content to match your viewers' interests, subsequently increasing engagement and watch time. But the magic of VidIQ doesn't stop there. The tool also allows you to track your competitors. It's as if you're a secret agent, quietly observing what works and what doesn't for others in your niche. This competitor analysis can help you identify trends, inspire new content ideas, and even avoid potential pitfalls. Moreover, VidIQ helps you identify trending topics within your niche. Imagine being able to tap into the collective consciousness of YouTube, understanding what's hot and what's not. By aligning your content with trending topics, you're more likely to attract viewers and increase your channel's visibility. In essence, VidIQ equips you with the insights you need to create engaging content and grow your channel. It's like having a roadmap to YouTube success, illuminating the path towards achieving your goals. VidIQ is truly a game changer for anyone serious about growing their YouTube channel. Third on our list is Pexeso, an AI tool that focuses on copyright protection. This is a tool that has been designed to work hand in hand with YouTube's copyright rules, making it an invaluable resource for creators of all kinds. Now you might wonder, how does Pexeso do this? Well, Pexeso uses artificial intelligence to identify copyrighted content. It's like having a keen-eyed sentinel, always on the lookout for anything that might infringe on someone else's intellectual property. This means that, as a content creator, you can use Pexeso to avoid those dreaded copyright strikes that can limit your channel's growth and potential. But that's not all. Pexeso isn't just useful for those who want to avoid stepping on any toes. It's also a powerful tool for original content creators looking to protect their own work. Imagine creating a unique piece of content, only for it to be copied and used by others without your consent. Pexeso helps you keep tabs on your original content and ensures that it remains just that, original. In essence, Pexeso operates as a double-edged sword. It not only helps you steer clear of infringing on others' rights but also safeguards your content from those who might want to infringe on yours. With Pexeso, you can focus on what you love creating, while it takes care of the rest. Pexeso makes it easy to stay on the right side of YouTube's copyright rules. Fourth on the list is Magisto, an AI-powered video editing tool. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about Magisto? Well, let me tell you, it's not just another video editor. It's a tool that employs artificial intelligence to make editing not just easy, but also efficient. Imagine having a handful of video clips and photos you want to turn into a polished, professional-looking video. Traditionally, you'd have to spend hours, if not days, painstakingly editing and fine-tuning each clip. But with Magisto, all you need to do is upload your clips and photos and let the AI do its magic. Magisto uses its advanced algorithms to analyze your footage, picking out the best bits and stitching them together in a way that tells a compelling story. It can even add music, transitions, and effects, all tailored to the mood and theme of your video. But it doesn't stop there. Magisto is also intuitive. It learns from your preferences, and the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding what you like and how you want your videos to look. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator looking to streamline your workflow, or a beginner trying to make your first YouTube video, Magisto can help you create something truly stunning. And the best part? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. With Magisto, creating stunning YouTube videos is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Last but not least is Google's Cloud Video AI, a tool that takes video analysis to the next level. This is not just your everyday video analysis tool, it's a powerhouse that uses machine learning to understand video content in an incredibly sophisticated way. Imagine having a tool that can scan through hours of video footage, analyze it, and then provide you with insights about what's happening in those videos. That's exactly what Google's Cloud Video AI does. It's like having a super intelligent assistant who's tirelessly working to help you understand your content better. One of the key features of Google's Cloud Video AI is its ability to find specific moments in videos. Let's say you have a cooking channel and you want to know how many times you've used a certain ingredient in your videos. Instead of spending countless hours watching all your videos, you can use this tool to scan your content, and it will tell you exactly when and where that ingredient was used. But it's not just about finding specific moments, it's also about understanding the context of your content. For instance, if you're a travel vlogger, the tool can analyze your videos and provide you with information about the locations you've visited, the landmarks you've shown, and even the activities you've done. This level of detail is invaluable for content creators. It can help you understand what your viewers are most interested in, allowing you to create more of the content they love. For marketers, it offers a way to analyze videos for product placements, brand mentions, and even sentiment analysis. Google's Cloud Video AI is a game changer. It's not just about analyzing video content, it's about understanding it. It's about providing you with insights that can help you create better content, engage with your audience more effectively, and ultimately succeed in the competitive world of content creation. And the best part? It's all powered by Google's cutting-edge machine learning technology, which means it's constantly learning and improving. So, as your content evolves, so does the tool's ability to analyze and understand it. Google's Cloud Video AI is a tool that truly pushes the boundaries of what's possible with video analysis. So, there you have it, the top 5 AI tools used on YouTube. We've explored TubeBuddy's optimization capabilities, VidIQ's analytics prowess, Pexeso's copyright detection system, Magisto's video editing magic, and Google's Cloud Video AI's extensive machine learning resources. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, enhancing the way we create, manage, and market content. With these tools, the future of YouTube content creation and marketing looks brighter than ever before. Remember to share and subscribe and out for our next video.